Okay, so those of you who can't see me, we're on. We're live, people. I am Jay Partridge. I teach at Capitol High. Yeah. They're very impressed over here. Bruins. I teach 3 sections of AP. That's advanced placement for you and me. AP. Yeah. AP U.S. History, 1 section of Western Civ.
So fresh. I love civilization.
Did you say so fresh? That's recorded. And then special topics in AP US, special topics in American history. I will pan the camera to this class. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. You can tell by this. Yeah. And this is a normal, okay. And now we're back. And
that's crazy.
Now, it's amazing, right? And the classes very quickly. AP is the honors American history class at Capitol High, and there we have a test offered by the College Board. And I have information on my webpage, and also I give information to the students. I'll explain my webpage in a second, but yes, I do have a webpage. I should leave on that note. Also, that is for college credit. As soon as I find out any information about sign up, which will be at the end of October.
Yeah, October.
In October. It's a Halloween treat. We'll have that. And also, and then Western Civ is basically a class that tries to get areas that are not covered in world cultures. We basically go from prehistory all the way through to now. And then special topics in American history, we pick very special topics. Like right now, we're doing the history of stunned students. We're doing Vietnam, and then we're conspiracy theories.
Yeah, Vietnam.
and then satanic worshipers. So it's going to be very good. One big cheer.
Satan.
The scare about that, and stranger danger. But we'll talk about some of the things in American history. And if you have any questions, you can go to my webpage. And it says Jay Partridge's history page, but it's the Partridge Post.
Yeah.
You know, you guys are so excited. Now it's getting old, isn't it? And the Partridge Post, if you want to find my webpage, all you have to do is type in the Partridge Post on the Google, and it will come up. And in it, I have links to my assignments. Also, links to my YouTube page where I always record usually 1 period of my classes a day, and connections to my email address. Are there any questions you have about my classes? Yes, this is Ed Polak. Woo! Yeah. And there's Ed Polak running in 1971. Any questions?
What is that email address?
Huh? Now we need the boys over it. Someone's supposed to say it. The email address is, look it up on the school, no, it's the letter J, Partridge, all lowercase, at helenaschools.org. One more thing. We do have a Teams connection that every student has Teams, and so I will always put the daily assignments up there, and if we do have to go remote in some way, we will all do it by Teams, where I will just sit here and yell at an empty room. On that happy note, are we done? Let's hear it for the parents the 3 of them that are watching this. Yeah. Goodbye. All right. So, that was a wonderful way to stop.